Hi everybody, this is Nora, and on this video I have a tutorial for you on how to make this beautiful metallic butterfly and flower against this matte gel polish. I did use gel as a base for this one. So yes, the two metallic polishes that I used from Beauty Big Bang was the blue one. This one is a 004. It's more the turquoise for the butterfly, and the lilac is 001. And so yes, these polishes, while there might be a little bit of a high maintenance when it comes to wearing them alone, they are absolutely beautiful and a great choice for art. So yes, and remember that they stamp too. Oh, and by the way, here's my right hand. This is now what, 3 days by the time? Yeah, I think so. And so I've been able to preserve my tips. You remember I show you how they have chipped just a bit. I went ahead and applied another top coat, another layer of Sage Feet on that, and look at that, they've been doing pretty good so far. So yeah, not too bad there. And so as far as other products that I use for my matte top coat, this is my first time using this one from Model Ones. I actually just received this today and I was very pleased with it. First time I used anything other than gelish for a matte top coat, and it cured for 30 seconds in my LED lamp matte. No wiping, no inhibition layer or anything like that. So I was super pleased with this. And then the base color that I used was this one of my new ones. It's a mini bottle from Mepha. There's the color right there, kind of pretty. It's a nude color, and there's the number. And then of course I use this, just any clear top coat. I'm trying to use my new products. So this is what I use for the butterflies. And then in the flower also. The stamping plate from Beauty Big Bang was this stamping plate number 16. So I will have links down in the description bar to these products, guys. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll talk to you at the end. Okay, so here I am again with the final result a little bit closer. What do you guys think? Oh, I think they turned out so pretty. I wanted to keep that shiny, glossy, metallic look against the matte base right there. So that's why I did what I did. And I could have, you also saw me apply the matte top coat against the color, then the white stamp, then I did the matte again. I could have just gone with the stamp straight onto the color and then only do the matte top coat once, but to tell you the truth, I was almost kind of improvising here what I was doing, and then with the teeny tiny beads right there in place at the end just to add a little bit of detail. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.